Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily relationship message, Leos. For your relationship, guys, we'll be picking one card from this deck. Before I start the message for you all, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our life, guys. Leos. So with this card, the message for you all is that Leos, don't chase after what flees from you. Don't obsess over what eludes you. Don't bang your head against the wall. There is nothing romantic about what is unavailable, no price given for torturing yourself, and nothing to be gained by refusing to see the red flags that have been waving since you began your pursuit. Now is the time to walk away. There are other goals, other loves, other games, other successes waiting for you. The way out of obsessing is radical acceptance and surrender. Spirit wants only the best for you. This is a sign that you have something much better waiting for you. Have trust. So, that is the message for your Leos, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. For your love reading, guys, this is the first deck and this is the second deck. So, whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it, and I will start after a few seconds of silence. So, you can choose the pile whichever comes to you first. So, that reading will resonate to you guys. So, let's see what are the cards with the first deck. I'll start with a few seconds of silence, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, let's see what are the cards, guys. So, whatever questions in your mind, you can think about it, and we will see what are the cards here. I'll be picking 3 cards, guys, for your situation, and I will turn these cards now, guys. For your first deck, the reading with these cards, it's 3 of spheres, 4 of moons in reverse, and the hangman. So, with these cards, guys, in your situation, you are what to say, seeing some kind of changes in this relationship, the way you are in this connection, the way things are going for you. So, some kind of changes you are seeing in yourself and in this person, and maybe both of you are beginning to understand each other better, and things are going in a positive way, guys, in this relationship. And I also see that uh, in this connection something is guiding you. Maybe you have faced lot of trials, lot of you have made lot of sacrifices to be in this state today. Maybe you have sacrificed your uh, own likes and dislikes for this person, or the way you are for this person. You have changed so much, some kind of changes. You are trying to adapt yourself to this person because you love them. That is also what I see. But something is telling you otherwise. In your heart of hearts, you may feel that this person is not putting in that equal amount or reciprocating the same way. You have sacrificed so much for them, but they are not reciprocating the same way. So, some kind of stress may be there because of that, and your intuition is telling you something. If it does, please listen to it. So, whatever your guidance is, your intuitive guidance, you have to listen to it, guys, whatever it is. So, it will always be for your own good. So, that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So let's see what is coming with the other cards, guys. So for those who have chosen this deck, let's see what are the cards. Again, we'll be picking 3 cards here, guys, from this deck. This is the first card, this is the second card, and one more card here. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and we will see what are these cards. It's Knight of Pentacles, King of Wands in reverse, and King of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe both of you are you have that understanding love, but sometimes in this connection this person is too rigid, they are not very flexible, they have their own ideas and they are very severe in certain things, they do not adjust to you, they don't want to change themselves for you. So again, that may lead to some kind of stress, and you also with this person, they may be talking behind your back, gossiping about you, and that may worry you. Again, this person is not to be trusted, guys. So they have their own view of this relationship, so this person is not to be trusted, and they, maybe you are in connection with them, maybe they are quite useful to you, this may be your energy or their energy towards this connection. So they are just here with you to make use of you in some ways, or you are in connection with them to make use of them in some ways, but it may not be love, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.